So I found another free LLM API service. So this is Baseten, and they offer inference service to the developers. They also have other products like compute for deployment of hybrid, self-hosted, and their own cloud. Right? Model APIs are listed in catalog along with the training section. Right? So we can take a look at their APIs and then we decide whether to sign up or not. So this is bastion.co, and here you can see they're offering NVIDIA, Nemotron, Minimax, Kimi, GLM, and DeepSeek and GPT. Right, so these are the models. You can also access additional ones in this list, and they are kind of sorted based on use cases. Like typical LLM are listed like this, then TTS, image generation, translation, transcription, and others. Right, so lot of models to choose from. I'm pretty sure they have kind of like fees that will have some strong pricing in Pro and Enterprise. So we look at the basic plan where you can see they offer minimal 0 per month, and considering we are not going to deploy any to cloud as such, we will go with the basic offering. Right, so we can sign up first, can choose between GitHub or any of your email address. So I'll have to start with the first and last name, then I will pick some workspace name, and you can see it has this particular name. It will go to the dashboard, and now I have to find out what sort of models I can access for free. They are offering like $6 worth of credits, which is fine by me. I'm sure they may add additional if I attach the credit card also. Here you can see model APIs, right? So we are given initially the Llama and DeepSeek, right? So you can see model APIs in the list here. Currently these are the summaries with the models being offered. So if you pick any one from the list, all of them are paid. None of them are going to be easy to use, and you can't just throw your account into something expensive. So choose the most low cost one. So here you can see all of them are over 30 or so. So I will pick OpenAI's GPT 120B, right? And considering it has a low cost input and output, so we go with that, right? So here you can see we have option to add new model API, right? Can always use other DeepSeek and so, but cost is high, so we will add new model API. So we will come here. Here you can see try the new model API in Playground or your budget here, and finally we can also build based on the model API pricing. So here is the endpoint. Select that and we can generate the key. So this is our base URL, right? So this is what we are going to copy into one of the extensions in VS Code, right? Alternatively, you can create your own tools by using script like this. And now let me generate the API key. Here you can see I can copy this. Now I will go into VS Code and I have option to choose from client, continue, and also kilocode. Now I understand this would fragment a lot considering I already have many models listed here in providers, so that would kind of make it harder for me to scroll through the provider, right? So what I can do is I can still choose kilocode as the extension for adding my free LLM API key, right? So there are two options. One, adding the custom provider directly by clicking connect, and one more option to search for Bastin. And you can see Bastin is already listed, so I will select that and add the API key that we just generated from this page. Right, we added the API key, click submit, and next thing, it will appear within your connected providers. Here you can see API bots added here, right? So the reason the difference between custom and API key is because in custom we choose the custom provider from the list and manually add base URL and API key. In case of the providers already listed with kilocode, will be listed like this. Okay, they only take the API key, not the base URL. Right, now let me close the setting, and here let me create new chat and then select from the list. Now up here we can see Bastin, right? So we'll choose BA. So now we have Bastin here, and we are supposed to select GPT OSS 120B because it has the low cost, right? And now I want to create a simple scenario for testing an idea specific to SaaS, and then I want to get its opinion from GPT OSS. Okay, so let's give it a task. Let's see, create a sales and marketing plan for the Android developer so that they can have checklist of tasks to be done while they add and remove or they check for reach for app downloads and sales. So your job is to create a file, right, and make sure to and add the tasks in it. Right now, before we do that, we have to check whether we are in certain folder also. If not, make sure to add a folder within which this chat will run. Now let me go back here and see the tasks in it. Ads marketing dash task.mp file, right? You can even make Excel sheet if you want to, but this hopefully does the work. Now this will consume some data as well. We have like $6 worth of output that we can generate, so this should work. So we have to make this useful, right? So sales and marketing plan for developer, right? So this is app developer so that they can have checklist of tasks to be done while they check for reach for app downloads and sales. Basically become a sales and marketing manager and come up with plan that would generically apply to all the apps developed by the developer team, right? So your job is to create a file, add the tasks in it as a marketing task.md file, right? So I will give this to the model. Hopefully if our API key is functional, it would generate that. And you can see it has used like 11 or 12k of reasoning only, right? It has its share of errors as well, because it was too fast, right? So here you can see the right part has worked and marketing task MD. So file has been created with comprehensive sales and marketing checklist, right? So it turned out it was so fast. I have to look into this .md file. Notice that it has created a checklist and it looks pretty decent. Pre-launch, launch, post-launch, monetization, and ongoing maintenance. So Basically, in just one prompt, we managed to get the checklist, and it was even faster than a few seconds or so. Right, so yes, correct. So the session cost is still low, and context is only 9% burn. Right, so if you are getting such free LLM API key, make sure to use them for tasks specific to marketing or sales. And in some contexts, you can also use this for the tasks which are rather be done with cheap model, and focus your expensive models to be used for something like paid or premier APIs like Claude and Codex. So this particular Bastion API you can still use with enough tasks and generate marketing, sales plans, even designs, and get them to do your project. Right, so this seems like a decent output.